Hi, my name is Divesh Tetu. In this first part, I'm starting with the Attribution Engine. This engine is used to understand where a customer came from before reaching a website or making a final action. In an e-commerce, this usually starts when a customer clicks on a track link. Then the link will contain UTM parameters, such as the UTM source, the UTM medium, and the UTM campaign. So those UTM parameters help the system to identify the source, the medium, and campaign that brought the customer to the website. The first recorded source is called the first touch. For example, the first touch might be Instagram. Then later, the same customer will return from another channel such as TikTok or Google search, and this is the last recorded source before the final outcome. So here the engines helps to answer questions like which channel started the journey, which campaign brought the customer, which source appeared before the final action, and which channel should get credit for the analysis reporting. So this is useful for CRM records, for marketing reports, because it gives a source level view of the customer journey. So it can tell us where the customer came from, but it does not deeply explain what happened inside the website journey, which is reflected by the red square here. Therefore, this deeper internal movement is the next layer of my project.